Hi everyone, welcome to this incredible journey into the fascinating world of sustainable energy. As we look ahead, we face a crucial reality: the urgent need for smart and sustainable energy solutions to protect our planet's precious resources, tackle climate change, and secure a brighter, greener future for all generations. Together, let's harness the brilliant and sustainable energy and light up the path to an eco-friendly tomorrow. Now let's talk about energy mix in Malaysia. Malaysia, the third largest country in Southeast Asia, is home to about 33.57 million people. Our total primary energy supply has been increasing by an average of 3% annually. Right now, we are looking at approximately 4.1 exajoules of energy supply and a solid of 36.2 gigawatts of electric production. So, what is our source of energy? Well, according to data from Malaysia Energy Transition Outlook, whopping of 95% of our energy comes from fossil fuel, while only a measly 5% is from renewable energy sources. Historically, we have been big on fossil fuel. Coal and coke made up 21.4% of our fossil fuel usage. Oils accounted for a hefty 42%, and natural gas contribute 33.3%. Now, let's shift gear and talk about renewable energy. Our Minister of Natural Resources, Environment and Climate Change made an awesome announcement. We have already at 25% renewable energy supply in Malaysia and marching toward the goal. But wait, there's more. Our Minister of Economy just launched an exciting project that lets households earn some extra income by leasing their rooftop for solar panels. And you know what else? Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim has rolled out not one but two roadmaps for sustainable energy. As of 2021, our total installed renewable energy capacity reached around 8.9 gigawatts. Of that, a cool 68% is hydropower capacity connected to the grid, while grid-connected solar photovoltaic supply bring in a solid 20%. And don't forget the 8.7% from solid or biofuel and 1% from biogas, all parts of our renewable energy mix. Now, let's give credit to where it's due. The government playing a key role in driving sustainable energy in Malaysia. We have got the Sustainable Energy Development Authority, SEDA, Tenaga Nasional Berhad, TNB, the Energy Commission or Suruhanjaya Tenaga, ST, and the Ministry of Natural Resources, Environment and Climate Change, all working together to make it happen. So, how we are going to achieve this bright and green energy future? We have got major energy policies in the mix. Some of the key important policies are as follow. There's the Malaysia Renewable Energy Roadmap in 2021, the Green Technology Master Plan in 2017, the National Energy Policy NEP Start 2020, and hey, not forget the Malaysian government commitment to the agenda of Sustainable Development Goal. To sum it up, the future of energy is in the hand of innovators, scientists, engineers, and dreamers. They are cooking up brilliant stuff in their lab, from advanced energy storage to a smart grid. All the great things that will power up tomorrow. Sustainable energy means sustainable income for our country and a brighter future for us all. So, don't forget our motto. Energy is future. Make it brilliant. Thank you all, and thank you for listening. Bye bye.